I traveled through some rough for this. I present to you Dillon Falls. I thought this view was the best view I've got here so far. And this is Dillon Falls in the Rogue. It's brilliant. As a view, I'm upriver here from Dillon Falls, and a beautiful mountain view in the background. We're about maybe 100 yards from Dillon Falls here, and check out that mountain in the background along the river. Beautiful sight. Get the sun in there. While I'm here though, I wanted to show you guys the mussel shells that I've been seeing here. Saw fishing earlier. I wasn't sure whether it was for crawdad or mussel, but it could have been for these mussels. Let me give you a look. Nice big mussel shell there. And they get big here. And they're just scattered all along here. Cool sight. Alright, and this has been a place I've been glad to call my home here. Well, it's actually Rogue River, but this is your first sight of Dillon Falls here on the Rogue River. And I'll move in to get a better view here for you. And Dillon Falls were named after Leander Dillon, who died in 1907, who was a local here. This is in the Deschutes National Forest, and beautiful sight. It's like a crane here. See if it can work properly. Supposing. There he goes. Wide view of Dillon Falls. You guys see what I'm seeing? We got nightshade here, a little bit of nightshade. I always like it because it's noticeable, the red, or it'll be orange or yellow sometimes. Anyway, and a view. Look at this view. And this is Dillon Falls. Just wanted to show you two ways of getting through a spot if you don't know if it's solid ground or not. Obviously, I'm trying to get a better shot of the Dillon Falls here. Probably off this log, I'm thinking. And the first, I'm looking here to see if it's solid ground or not. Sometimes you can't tell with stuff like this. It's just reeds or whatever may be there. And one way is to take something heavy, like a large rock, and place it there. You know you can step there because it was nice and solid. Another way is to take a stick and feel. Just feel around, make sure it's solid ground. Yes, you can step there. All right, and that'll be my next step. All right, and that's how I tell if it's solid ground. And I use it as a good idea to if you question a spot, worried about getting bit or stung by something. What easy thing to do is take your long stick, the same thing I use to check and see if it's solid ground or not. Poke around a bit, see if anything comes out to bite or sting you, and if it doesn't happen, you're usually pretty good. All right. Because that's where I'm going to try to go for the film. All right, and this is about as on Dillon Falls as you can be on the Rogue River without taking a rapid downriver swim. And just look how amazing those falls are in the background. And then you got the falls here. Of course, I'm virtually I'm standing on the solid ground right before the water, so, or sitting, I should say, rather. Man, that's brilliant. I think I'll hang out here for a few hours. I'm so impressed with this side. I got my natural drinking straw from the Row. I'm gonna have a sip here. It's been a breathtaking experience for me just sitting here. Check out these rapids. Alright, Dillon Falls is also known for a Category 5 Whitewater Rapids ride, so if you ever want to give that a try, that's usually master status for whitewater rafting. So, looks like a slug or some sort of like shell-less snail or something. It looks cool. He's just hanging. Hopefully he doesn't bite me. Anyway, I'm gonna put him back here. Grub maybe? Oh, that'd be a huge grub. How about? Looks really cool. Come on, get back up. He's so slow. Get back on your feet, dude. There you go. Alright, here's another brilliant angle of Dillon Falls. Falls here on the Rogue River and Deschutes Forest. Check out this rapids here. Just to give you guys a view, I'm sitting here on top of a rock, and this is my view right here. Right in front of me, that's no zoom. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. Dillon Falls. Walking out from Dillon Falls here now, and just want to remember how amazing life is and how impressive Mother Nature is. I mean, just look at this site here. Makes you love being alive. Enjoy.